Hey, what's up everybody? I want to show you a quick little something here and what I did with the Tour Pak. I was up in New Hampshire a couple of years ago, and something happened where I had to get into the Tour Pak at nighttime. Anyway, I had to find something in my Tour Pak, and I was having a hard time finding it. I had a little flashlight with me, and the flashlight decided not to work. So I was like, shit, couldn't find anything I wanted in the Tour Pak. Eventually I found it. So I said, man, this is a good place for some lighting. So let me show you what I did. Real simple. I don't have it torn apart. You're gonna understand that as I go through here. I went to AutoZone. I got the LED strip lights. All right, I got a package of 2. So I got one here, and I got one here. Now these you can cut. They have a mark here. You can cut them because they're actually longer and they wouldn't fit in here. So I cut them a little shorter on both sides, and they just self-stick to the inside of the Tour Pak. So here I put a switch. All right, down is off and up is on. So now I got lights at night on both sides. Now, some of you are probably saying, oh, what happens if you leave that light on? You know, you're going to kill your battery. Well, I thought of that. So what I did is to operate these lights, your ignition has to be on. And basically, I just ran it right off the tail light. It's LEDs, it's not putting a lot of power on that tail light. And considering this tail light is already LEDs, not really sucking up a lot of juice, so you're not going to hurt the circuit at all. So, if I do forget to turn this thing off, try to show you this. Alright, you can see the light over here. Once I shut the ignition off, that light goes off. Alright, ignition on, the light comes back on, obviously. So if I do forget to shut that light off, it doesn't matter, because once I shut the ignition off, that will shut off by itself. And I've actually done that. I've actually left this on, not realizing it, and it doesn't kill the battery, because once the ignition's off, it shuts off. But I do keep the switch off when I don't need it. I mean, unless I forget. Basically, all I did was I made a hole for the wiring. I ran it around inside up to here, and then I ran this one around into here, and then I ran it from here to the wiring for the light. Just wire it to the constant one, not the brake light. There's 2 wires here, one for the brake light and one for the tail light or the running light. So you want to run it to the one that's always on. And that's it. Put this cover back in place, and you have interior lighting on the Tour Pak. Pretty cool. I'm sure some of you have come across where you have to go into this thing at nighttime, you can't see anything. All right, take care everybody. Bye-bye.